Budgeons, we found our cycle.
Oh, my baby! Hi everyone. Today I'm here with Jared and Issa, and we're gonna put on a little show for you guys. What should we sing?
Oh, you're asking me?
I don't just talk to myself all day.
She totally does that.
No, she doesn't.
This is like, Robbie and... What's his name?
He ordered all the
Oh, he ordered all the caviar! Sing, Twinkle Twinkle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
You're done. Wait, why she kind of look like James?
You all. Oh, I don't condone this behavior.
I'm putting it side by side.
No! David, I told you no more cheating in the house. Susan, I don't care anymore. What do you mean you don't care? Don't you want happiness for the kids? And what about the... And what about the... And what about the mailman? Our daughter has brown eyes. I didn't go with the mailman. Issa, go away. Susan, that is...
Who is it?
Ray.
No!
I don't understand how you hit the octave.
So did she.
I used to sing, yeah.
I can't do that though.
Yeah, but you did the really good. Do the.
Wait, we can harmonize it. No, you start doing that and then in the background. Yeah, I'll be really quiet. I'll be really quiet doing it. Start going.
Oh my god. Oh.
My like mine.
Already on your... Oh my god.
Everyone.
Guys.
Talking.
You didn't hear the delivery?
Go. That was so good.
Wait. Oh.
Boy.
If I get one more dirty look or silence right after I do that, I'll do the full thing. You guys just tell me how you find it. Oh my god. Okay. And rate it out of 10 based off of how gorgeous I am. Okay. Ready?
Cheesecake, apple pie, chocolate chip cookies, brownies, ice cream sundae.
How many students are in our grade?
96.
99.
96.
96.
Yes, oh my god, I can't believe you guys
I actually guessed that. I did not know that.
107.
Name 3 committed student athletes.
Noor.
Yes.
Okay.
Claire.
I know it's Noor,
Yes.
Tessa,
And unless you.
Tessa? Yes, yeah. Tessa and I'm trying to think of the poster.
Noor, Abby, and whoever who I saw pictures of.
Noor. Lily.
Catherine. No. What was the musical this year?
The musical this year was Beauty and the Beast.
Yes. Name one senior and their role in it.
Somebody who's quite introverted. Caitlin.
Beauty and the Beast and Katie Lynch.
Legally Blonde.
Katie Lynch, and I have it on the tip of my tongue. I fully know it. No, but I know Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah. Who were the 2 art scholars in our grade?
Ooh. Yeah.
I don't have any idea.
Who are the 2 music scholars in our grade?
Katie and Nolan?
Me.
I should have known that.
You're one of them.
Yes.
I don't know who the other one is.
Katie Lynch.
Oh, that makes sense.
Every single morning, I order a pork roll, egg and cheese sandwich on a bagel, and he knows it like off the top of his head every time.
What is Chloe Diano's breakfast order?
Oh, breakfast order, that's easy. Okay? So bagel, pork roll, egg, American cheese. Very easy.
Yes!
So before Lent, he made my special sandwich at the deli. He actually called it the Aurora. It's panini bread and then mayo, American cheese, ham, and lettuce.
And what is Aurora's order when she comes to get deli?
At the deli, so she gets toast a lot, but like egg salad during Lent. She loves egg salad. And then she's always, I have to make it a certain way, so it's ham, American cheese, mayonnaise with lettuce. But you better don't cook that ham. Make sure the ham's cold on a toasted bread with mayonnaise and cheese.